Hello, learner. Hope you learn from this session and a warm welcome at Learning Platform Chat Inside. Today, our session is belong to class first, and from their syllabus, our today topic is place value. If you want, then pronounce it with me. It's a PLACE, place, VALUE, value. So it's a place value. Okay, it's a flower for you. That means I'm already done a video on a place value, which is here a part first. Okay, but there is just a single star. Please remember that there is a single star, and that the double star is a since it's a part two of the part first. Okay, so it's a second half of a first half session. Okay, now let's start our today topic. So I'm going to decoding these point numbers, one digit number, two digit number, making a 10, then place value chart, and the last one is a zero concept. Okay, so here I'm done the number, one digit number and the two digit number to there. Okay, and how to we are make a 10, I'm just already told to in a detail to there, but little bit also explain it in a session. Okay, because of that it's make a proper sense on a place value, then it's easy to make a chart on it. And last one our topic is a concept of a zero. Okay, come on with me, next page. So it's a first point is that making a 10. Okay, if you want to make a 10 rupees, you want to collect a coin of a 10 rupees. Okay, just you want to be a collected 10 rupees, so it's a two way to collect a 10 rupees, bacha. Okay, just look at the other digit, it's a two way to collect a 10 rupees. Okay, first one is you just give it just just borrow a 10 rupees from anyone. Okay, it's a first one. And a second way is just collect a one rupees. Just collect a one rupees 10 time. How many time, bacha? It's a 10 time. And then you have a 10 rupees. Then you have a 10 rupees. So which one is easy for you? Just borrow. Just borrow a 10 rupees from the anyone. Okay. But it's not about the money. It's not about the money. Okay. It's not about money. Okay, it's about a maths concept. It's about a maths concept. So that's why you have a collect a single coin in your piggy bank. Okay, and money is also your syllabus topic, which I deal it in a further. Okay, so if we're talking about a piggy bank, not a piggy bank, it's a math concept. So that's why we have just a make a one rupees to collect it a 10 times. So we have a 10 rupees. We collected 10 times. So we have a 10 So we have a 110. Just wait. We have a 110 bacha. So we have a 110. Okay. Just again, I'ma repeat that the line and uh, you just connect with me. Okay. We have a collector one. I'm just changing my pen and you have just the collector one rupees. It's a 1 rupees. It's again a 1 rupees bacha. One rupees. How many time bacha? It's a 10 time. When you collect it a 10 time, so it make a 110. Okay. If you collect a 20 time, if you collect that the coin is a 20 time bacha, one coin is a 20 time, so it make a how many? It's make a 210. It's make a 210. Okay. If you collect it a 30 time, one rupee, so it make a 310. Okay. Very good. So when we collect a 1 rupees at a 10 time, okay. So we have a 10 rupees. If we want a 10 coin, like a 110, we want a 110. So we have a collected 10 coin of a 1 rupees bacha, which I already, which I told you now. And when we want to be a make a 20, it's if you want now, then count it, it's a 20 coin. Okay. And it's a upper one is a 10 coin. So if if we have a make a how many 20 coins, so that's why we just take a for the 210 we have a maker or a collector 20 coin of the 1 rupees, so we have a 210. Okay, I'm just now explain it. Okay, no, so where will your concentration right now? I'm over it. If you want, then the go a reverse, do a double tap on a video and then pause and then listen it again. Okay, which is started from a 2 minute. Look at the each word with the high concentration bacha, because of that the each word is a make a sense, and that also related with your the syllabus. So that's why I have explained so much, because of that it's relate with a not from class 1, it's also relate with a class 5th. Okay, so it's a from first to fifth that the topic is helpful for you. Again making a 10. Okay, it's a now the proper example of your session, which is related with a place value. So look at here. It's a 110 is equal to wait. Highlighter is again do the anything with my pen. It's a 110. 110 equal to 10 ones bacha. Okay. Once is your the 1 rupee. Once is your 1 rupees. Okay. It's a TE and 10 and ONES is a pronounce we are pronounced it once. Okay, look at the next one is that if we wanted 210, so we have a collector two ones. Okay, once is our like a one coin. Look at the next one, it's a number. It's a number and we just write to head of it a TO2. Okay, TO2. Okay, it's a 25 and we again write on ahead is a TO2. It's a number. Okay. So look at here. number. As from a first session, if you look into there, so I will explain you about it. Two-digit number. It's a two. It's a digits. Digits and number. It's a N O O N U M V E R. Number. And one more thing. If uh, your handwriting is too good, na, then your teacher, so post a mail. Okay. Don't do that, but look at here. It's a digit, bacha. Okay. So it's a two-digit number. What is the two-digit number? Anything which is started from a 10 and their last number is a 99. So 10, it's a 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, so on. And the last one, our number is a 99. They all are in a two-digit number. Clear? So, it here are two example of a two-digit number. Okay, what we write here? Take any number which is from a 10 to a 99. If we take a 99, suppose that bacha, if we take a 99, okay, if we take a 99, you don't worry, don't do the anything. Just write here a T O 2. Just write here a 2 on his head. Okay, it's a 2 like a T and O. It's a 2. Okay, why I do that? Anyone have an idea? It's related to a next concept. Okay, so that's why take any number. If you want, then tell me any number. I'm just guess in my mind or imagine about you. What's the number you want to give me? It's a which one? 15. It's already written here. Okay, I'm just take a like a 18 bacha. 18. It's a 1 and a 8. It's a 18. So don't worry about it. Just on his head, write a T and O. It's a 2. You have to write a TO, not a OT. Don't write like a OT. If you write like a OT, it's a wrong. Okay? If you write it like a O, first of all write a O then the T, it's a totally wrong, bacha. It's a totally wrong. What you have to write it? You have to write like a T and O. And the second one thing is that it's totally up to you. It's a totally up to you. You have just to write a T in a like a small letter and a O like a small letter. It's a totally up to you. Okay. If you want, then write it a capital letter. If you want, then the write in a small letter. Clear? Okay. If we take another number like a 80 bacha, it's a 8 and a 0. We take a 80. So again you have a writer like a T on a top and again a O. So it's a 2. Okay. So from this page, we just learn that on any digit, we have just a writer 2 on his head, on his head, on his head. And when we write on his head is a 2, we got it our answer of the place value. Okay. So about a place value, it's a 15 as from previous page. Okay, and we have just mentioned a 2 on his head. It's a TO2 on his head. Okay, And just look at here what the real sense of the TO2. Okay, so it's a T which is a capital here. So that's the T, bacha, is a stand for, that T is a stand for 10. It's a T, E, and 10. And that the O is a stand for O and E as ones. Okay, that the O is a stand for, O is a stand for. Just repeat it with me. Because of that, your mind make a more sense about it. So O is a stand for ones and a T is a stand for 10. It's a easy now. Look at here. It's a T is here and the T is here. So T stand for 10. T stand for 10. T stand for 10. O stand for ones. O stand for ones. Okay. When you repeat a word, na, mind make over there the sense in a mind, bacha. So that's why you have a just repeat it a more, one more, not here one more time, but at your home, repeat it on a lots of time. Okay, so look at here. O is a stand for ones, so it's easy. So here, when we write it 2 on a head of any number, so O is a stand for ones. So on a ones place, what the digit is here, bacha? It's a 5 ones. Okay, ones place पे on a ones place, which is a digit is a 5 ones. Okay, and on a 1 there is a 10 place. So on a 10 place there is a 1 10. Okay, look at here. T is a stand for 10 and a O stand for ones. Okay, so 5 is place of ones and a 1 is a stand on a 10. So it's a 15. Okay, and is clear to T and ones and the tends to here. If you want, then I will definitely mention it to here. Okay, it's a T stand for 10 and the 1 stand for the ones. Okay, but that the related with the class first to the fifth now, and it is a little bit touch in your syllabus, but you have to just remember that the all the point which is a cover in a session. And place value, what the mean of the place value? Can you want to be know where did the highlighter again go? Yeah, it's a here. It's a small like a pointer, na, so it's always take a round on a whole page and I'm missed out all the time. So what the mean of the ones? What the mean of the place value, bacha? Place value means where? Okay. Place. What the mean of the place, bacha? If we want a place, place at the sense is a where. It's a where. Up. Just remember it in your mind, bacha, like that. Is a place means where. Place means where. So where our number is a stand, they that answer is a given or a we are got it that the answer by a place value. So for the place value, just remember a one thing which is a 2 TO2. And if you remember that the spelling, your all over answer from a class first to a fifth is a over here. It's a 2 TO2. Okay, how it be the possible? Just show you on a next page. So come on with me. Look at here. It's again the another one digit is a 25, which is the example of the two-digit number. We just write here a TO2 on his head, and then just find out there the place value. So what is there the place value? Under a O is a 5. So 5 place value. So one's value of a 5 is a 5 ones, and for a 10 value for a 10 bacha there is a 2 is under a T. So 10 place a 2 10. Okay, like that. Okay, here any doubt? Not at all. Okay, if a doubt, then look at here bacha. What is that? It's a 1. It's a ones. So ones that the means is a O, and where that the and the place means where. Look at here. Place means where bacha. Where, what the spelling of the where is the WHERE. Where. Okay. So place means where. So it's a question like that of where are ones. Okay, where are ones in a number? Where are ones in a number? Where are ones in a 25? Where are ones in a 25? So where it? Five ones, five ones, five ones. Okay, again bacha, it's about a T. Look at here, it's a tens. That the 10 is a stand for T, and for the place make a word like a where, is like a WHER, where. So it's again question is like a where a 10, where 10. It's a question like a where a 10, where a 10. So you have a answer is it's a 2 10 2 10. Okay, T is asking a question where I am, like a where a T, where a T. Okay, so it's a reply of 2 10 2 10. Okay, so we got it at the point. It's a easy. Math is so simple when you know about its all the tricks. Okay, come on the next page. It's a place value chart. What the meaning of the place value chart? Place value, as we know that the tens and ones about it, and a chart means we are just make a graph on it. Okay, like it's a number. On a one side is a number, bacha, and another one side is a tens. Clear? So look at here. Firstly is about a tens. Okay. So in a 10, how many tens is here? It's a number. Look at here. It's a number, bacha. Not in the place of the ones. You're not the asking a question about a ones. Okay. It's a O-N-E. It's a O-N-E-S ones. Okay. I'm just crossed it because of that. The place is a blank. Here not the any question related with the ones. So here a number. It's like a 1 and a 10 is a 10. So what you have to do, you have to just do like a write a TO2 on his head. Like a T and O, like a T and a O on his head bacha. It's a head. H-E-A-D, head. Clear? On a head, when we write it a T and O, so it's easy. On a 10 place, which is the number is here? It's a 1. Again, look at the next one question is a 20, 20, 20. So we write it a TO2 on the head. For the all the number is the same processes goes here. Okay. So under a 10, which the number is again bacha? Under a 10, which the number is here? It's a 2. So how many 10 is here? It's a 2. And the next question, how many 10 in a 30? So again under a T, which is the number is here is 3. So 310. Again, next question is a 4040. So how many 10 in the 40? It's a 4. So 410 is here. And the next one is point out the concept for you is here that bacha, if we add a for the 40 for a 40, it's a 4040. Or wait, look at the next number, then I will definitely explain it. Look at the 70, it's a 7070 bacha. So in a 70 with the number is under a 10 t, it's a 7. So how many 10 is here? It's a 7. Okay. And how it be the possible? I'm just prove it like that. Is a 710 about? We are talking about the 710. Okay. So how does the 710? If for the 7 bacha, if for the 70, okay. If for the 70, so that the 70 is the equal of bacha. Wait. If we add a 7 time, okay. It's a 7 time. That is a time. If you want Dana, remember it like that, bacha. It's a time. As I told you on the page which is a second or the third, okay. So 7 time if we add a 10 like a 1, just wait now. Because of again as you know a little bit affected that with the highlighter, so it's a 10 one time, it's a 2 time, it's a 3 time, it's a 4 time, it's a 5 time, it's a 6 time, it's a 7 time, okay. It's a 7 time, and equal to here a 7070, okay. For there we use a plus with the red one color, okay. When we add a 110, then again add a bit of bacha 110, and then after we are just add a 110, and then after we add a 110, and again when we add a 110, and again we add a 110. So we got it a how many number is here bacha? It's a 70. That is bacha, we can told it like that the 7 is stand for 7 time of 10, that the 7 is stand for a 7 time 10, 7 time 10, okay. If you want, then write down as it is in your notebook, and that is a helpful for you. Okay. So it's a 110, 210, 310, 410, 510, 610, 710, and we got it a 70. Clear? That's his bacha. It's a how many time we use a 10 to here? It's again I'm just change the color for you. It's a 1 time, it's a 2 time, it's a 3 time, it's a 4 time, it's a 5 time, it's a 6 time, and last one is our the 7 time. So when we add 10 at a 7 time, we got it a 70. Hope so it's a clear to you, because I'm take a little bit time to explain it, because of that it's very important for you to make your concept more to make your concept more simple way. So that's why your brain can recognize the each point from here in future also. So move on. Next question is that it's a 8080. So how many 10 tens is here? It's a 8. And the next one question is in a 19. So how many tens is here is a 19. That means bacha when we add a 9 at a 10 time, so we got it a 90. Clear? And it's a really thankful appreciation for me when you like my video that one and also subscribe that the channel for the further session. Okay, look at the next one is that look at here same question which is related with place value chart. Okay, that means a place value, and here we again make a chart. What is it the meaning of the chart? Just a simple presentation or the graphic presentation that we call it a chart picture. Okay, when you uh, maybe in a class 2 and 3 there is a bar graph, and also you related with me in a tally. Okay, in a tally, so class 2, class 3rd, and most probably in a class 5th, which is there a pie chart and a bar graph and pie chart, bar graph, pictograph, and a tally is there in a class 5th. Okay, so that the chart is helpful for you to there, not the particular this one, but there that the chart is clearly understood on a class in a class 5th. Okay, so don't worry about that. And now we are move on. Our topic is that is about a number, tens and ones. Number, tens and ones. What is it the number? Two digit number, the one digit number, we call it a number. So here on a previous page there is a digit which is just carry or only carry a zero, but now in this session the number carry a zero with their other digit at the place of the ones. Okay, so look at here. First question is that it's a 10. Okay, and you don't have don't worry about it. Just on or there the number you have just the write it to, which I told to you like a T O 2. It's totally up to you, bacha, what you write to here. What you write to here. That the capital letter in a 2 or a small letter like a it's a small t, okay, and a O and a O. Clear? So it's totally up to you. Okay, which one you want to select to here. It's a capital T and then the capital O, or a small t then the small O. Okay. So if you write that the 2 on the any digit head, so you have an answer about a 10 and then a ones. Okay. Look at the first one. Answer is that from a question is how many tens and the ones in a 10. So ones is 0 and then a 10 is 1. In the next question is a 12. So how many ones is here and a tens is here? So under a which one? Under a O, it's here a 2. So two ones, and under a T here a 1. So 110. Okay, on the next question, it's a 21. So in a 21 is a again under a 2, which the digit is here, it's a 1. So how many ones is here? It's a 1 and a T. So how many tens is here? It's a 210. Okay, next one question is it's a 25. So under a 1, under a O, you can be the pronounce it like that. Under a ones is a which digit is a 5. So on a ones On a here on a ones place is a 5 and a tens place is a 2 because of the under on. Okay, okay. And now it's turn to yours. Tell me about from a next question. Ki what the place of that the digit in a tens and a ones. Okay, so look at here. It's a 74. Okay, in a 74, which the tens and the ones is here? Very good. So here a 4 is place of the ones and a 7 at the place of a tens. 86. There is a 6 is a on a ones place and a 8 is on a 10 place. Okay. Next one is a 99 bacha. The last one question is of that the chart is a on a ones place which the digit it's come to here. It's a 9 and on a 10 place is a again a 9. Okay. So you have to do the nothing. Just write down on a head it's a T O. So you have an answer about the tens and the ones. Okay. Move to here, which is a exercise for you if you want to practice on it. So pick up that the question in your notebook and answer it. It's a number 10 ones. Okay. Just do the first one is about to you. Okay. Look at here. It's a 13. So you have do the nothing. Just write down a TO on the head of a digit. It's a TO. And then you have all the answer like which the digit on the place of the ones is a 3 and on a 10 is a 1. Okay. You all are so good child childrens. Because of that, you got it all the point from the session. That's why you are just being here with me at that the last of the session. Okay, come on the next page. It's about a zero concept, bacha. Okay, how do we just build up a concept on a zero? Is that look at here addition. It's a addition. As you pronounce it, as you know how to we are pronounce it is ADDITION. It's a addition. Okay, when we take a two digit, when we take a one digit and add it with a zero, what we got it. Okay, it's a 12. It's a first digit. Look at here. It's a first digit is our 12 and it's a concept of a zero, bacha. It's a zero. Okay, and it's our digits. You can be the told it like a number. Okay, it's a digit is easy to write down here. So all are because of now highlighter. It's a digit. D-I. D-I. What damn. I don't know why the highlighter is. Wait, wait, wait. It's happened with the highlighter. My highlighter have a same habit like you. You're not. You don't want to be the write the anything in your notebook. Okay. And my highlighter is also wanted. No, I'm not following your any instruction, ma'am. I'm just do which I want. Okay. Which I want. Okay, look at here. It's a digit, bacha. It's a D-I-Z-I. It's a T-S. Digit, that since is a number. Okay. So here a number. Here a first one is our the number and the second one is our the zero, bacha. Okay. So if we take a 2 and a 0 and we have a just the addition, do the add on them. So which the sign we use here? Or the symbol we use to here? Just tell me. It's a that one or a that one? This one, no? It's a it's a right? No, it's totally wrong. You have a use a plus one. Okay, that's the symbol of a plus addition. Okay, if you have a doubt and not the clearance in your mind, so check out that the video which is already on a channel on a addition. Okay, so your the basic points is clear to there. So we use a symbol in between that the digit. We use a symbol. Which symbol we use a plus. Okay, and what the their outcome when we add a 12 in a 0, their outcome is a 12. Okay, because of that the zero sense is a nothing. Because of that the zero sense is a nothing. Nothing is tough for you or the difficult to learn it. So remember that a zero means no. Zero means no. Zero means no. Okay, a zero means not. Zero means not. Zero means not. Okay, and the not means no or a no. Wait, not remember that the not, remember a no. Remember a bacha here a no. Remember here a no. No means no does it. No means no does it. No means no does it. Okay, so zero is any digit? No, it's not the zero. So same as we got it as number from our first digit. Okay, with the number we use here, if we add a zero to there, we got it the same number. Like it, the concept is like it's a horizontal, and when we vertically do it like that, okay, add a zero to here, we got it the same number from the upper side, bacha. Okay, so it's a 12. Clear? Okay, look at the next one is that it's a subtraction. And when we take a one digit, it's a 21. And then the again we have to add a zero. Sorry, not add to there. We have just the subtract the zero from a 21 with the symbol of a minus. Their outcome is a same. What their outcome is a 21. Okay, because of that 0 means a no number, 0 means a no number, 0 means a no number. I'm just repeat it a multiple time. Because of that you have to do same that I do it. Because of that it's make a more concept clear in your mind, bacha. Last one is our the multiplication. What about a multiplication? If we take a one digit and then use a take a zero, and what we have to do, we have just to take a symbol of a multiplication which is like a cross. Okay, so what there the outcome is a again zero. Okay, hope so it's clear to you. And if it is not, then again pause at the video little bit, or reverse it, then listen it again. You definitely got it all the points and more clarity of with my words of your misconcepts. Look at the next one point is that it's about a zero. It's again about a zero, but what the different what the difference between here and there is that we operate here addition with the 0 to 0. Okay, with the 0 with to 0. We have just the do the addition is here, take a 0 and then add them a 0. What there the outcome is a no digit when we add an add no digit. So what we got it? We got it the same. Like their outcome is 0. When we subtract the 0 to 0, their outcome is 0. When we multiply a 0 with the 0, we got it a 0. Okay, that is when we take a 0 with the 0, we are always got it a 0 outcome. Okay, when the both the 0, look at here, when the both the first one is a 0, when the first one is a 0 and the second one is a 0, so their outcome is also 0. Okay, first one is a 0, second one is a 0, so their outcome is a, what's their outcome? Tell me. Their outcome is already 0. Okay, got it that the point? You have any doubt on any slide? So don't worry about it. You have that the video and pause it. Just reverse to there. Okay, and all the points are concluded here. Okay, so part 1, part 2 is over here, bachchan. It's a really thankful appreciation for me when you like, subscribe at the channel with the bell icon for the further detailed discussion on your syllabus. Okay, and my real motivation is your support to make more interactive educational session for you. Thank you to being here. Stay healthy. Bye bye.